Hello you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video, we have some very exciting things going on. Right now I'm on my way to go meet up with my brother, and we're gonna be going to Headline Auto Design because I have a very special project coming up. This is gonna be a little sneak peek of what I have planned for my car, and I am so excited. I have been waiting for this for a while, so it's finally like getting closer, and I'm excited for you guys to see. It's not gonna be anything crazy right now. I'm just going to go talk to them. My brother actually wants to wrap his car, so right now they're having a really good deal. I'm gonna go see if he can get an appointment, and yeah, so we're taking both cars, just like, you know. I've been talking to Headline Auto Design about this for a while now, and I'm finally gonna go check it out, and we're gonna discuss some things. So obviously, since you guys know, this is like a wrap shop. I mean, they do more than just wrapping cars, but I am going because I am wrapping my car very soon. Definitely be on the lookout for that. That's gonna be so exciting. You guys are gonna have to find out with me along on what color I choose. I probably won't choose the color today, but I'm definitely gonna be looking at the books. I have a few colors in mind, and by few I mean like two colors in mind, but I don't think they would have the color I'm thinking in a wrap. I don't think any wrap company even makes this color, like the specific tone that I want. So it's gonna be really hard, and obviously if they don't have anything like that, I have a second color that I really want to do also. So like these two colors I'm in love with, so I would not mind to do either or. So we'll see. So I'm gonna go head there right now and bring you guys along with me on my day. But we're here. My car is so dirty. I'm debating if I should wipe it down or not because it's just been so windy these past like 2 days. So it's like disgusting now. We just got here. Here's my brother, Jaime.
This thing's nice though.
So we're looking through the colors. He wants a blue or the chalk. But this one's like so nice once it's like on the car. I've seen this in person,
but
and it looks so good.
I've never seen this color, so I don't have any examples. Wait, where was the other one?
So he wants like something like this.
Wait, let me see how it picks up on camera.
I'll show you guys colors. This is 3M. One like this is too bright.
This kind of looks purple.
Gloss Storm Gray. No, these are the ones, you'll see the ones that are glittery.
Gloss metallic.
This is the deep metallic. Because these are too light. He just dropped the whole booklet. He always has to do something.
That's crazy.
This looks so good. You can't even like tell. I like.
That does look like yeah. So this is the Noster? Or
Yeah.
Is that what it's called, the Noster?
It's a Nosatech.
The Nosatech.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is Anthony's car. He's the one that does all the wraps at Headline Auto Design.
That's right.
This is his Hellcat.
It's little touches that, you know, make it look a little more aggressive.
It goes a long way.
Yeah, it's from going from looking like a boat before this, it's been a big difference. Yeah. Yeah, these things are definitely boats. The jokes are definitely real. It's on the iBox Sportline springs, so it definitely made a huge difference with the wheel gap.
Does it come with the Brembo's stock?
It
or?
does, yeah.
Gee.
It's not a basic 91 tune.
Thing.
Custom exhaust, intake. Dirty right now, but
There was a lot of wind.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I'm
Came
like,
out of nowhere for Thanksgiving.
yeah. Mine got super dirty too.
Galaxy black. This one's just a regular, this one's dirty too, but even when you still look at it, it doesn't quite have like that mirror look to it in the material.
What brand is this one?
This one's 3M.
3M. And that one's 3M too?
Oh, I did have a question. So when I bought my car, it came with a dent on the back. How do you guys work with that? Do you guys? That's not gonna mess with the wrap?
No. We just have to just wrap over it. You might have, because it's pretty deep, so you might still have like a little bit of like an air pocket right there. You could get it fixed before you do the wrap. As far as I'm not sure, the body shop would probably recommend either they can see about popping it out if they can, or they can even do like a body filler and just do a primer over it.
That would like make the wrap come out a little bit or affect it in any way?
Like I said, since it's so deep right here and you can kind of feel like it's like a scratch cut right there.
Yeah.
The wrap might slightly bubble up right there in that spot.
Okay, but nowhere else around it, right?
Yeah, nowhere else around it.
Alright, that's pretty much. I didn't want it to affect around it.
Yeah. So it just depends on you. If you can live with it. If it doesn't bother you that much, then.
So we're back in the car. We just finished talking to Anthony and I'm very excited. I still have not decided a color, but I'm in between like 2 colors that I saw. So definitely gonna keep you guys updated on that. So I am gonna be working with them and I'm very excited for you guys all to see. Anthony was very nice. He was so cool. He talked to us about his car and like he asked us about our car, and my brother is very indecisive on what he wants, so he was just kind of like, you know, we were like weighing our options and like seeing the pros and cons of both. It was very helpful. I think it steered him in the right direction of what color he wants to do, but he definitely still has to see what color he wants to do. So guys, I officially gave my deposit and have a day that I'm coming and leaving my car, and I am so excited. It's gonna be done, and yeah, it is not gonna happen until the new year, so I'm just gonna let December kind of like finish off and then come back new year, new car color. I did choose the color I wanted to do as well, and I'm very excited about it. It is none of the colors that I had in mind before I came into it, honestly, but I'm very happy with this color, and it is definitely gonna be different and crazy for me. I feel like I really debated if I want to do this color or not, but I think it's the right choice and I think I'm gonna love it. It's gonna look so good. So yes, so be on the lookout. It is gonna be done in January and I'm so excited for this. Like I just secured my date that I'm gonna bring it in, and then it should be done like a few days after that. So like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna drive now. I need to go drop off my tires, so that's in a different vlog though. So I'm filming on my phone because I forgot my camera